all-in-one visual design platform containing AI photo and video editing tools. This is one of the premium AI tool and this is 100% free. Let's start the video. Firstly, we'll have to come to this website cutout.pro. Go down and see the features. So this is unwanted object remover, remove background from the videos, face cutout, like photo enhancer, AI video enhancer, photo animer, passport photo maker. All the AI tools are amazing. So I'll use this one photo colorizer. So let's see how it works. Just open it, photo colorizer, upload your image. This was my original image and see the colorizer. This was black and white image. The result is ready. So this is super fast also. And you can simply download it from here. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day all the best.